Hello, everyone. I'm a bachelor student in IT in engineering. So, in my studies, I had to use the Python. So, when I'm new to the subject, I was wondering that whether I install this program correctly and how to do these kind of calculations on Python. I had so many doubts, and even I didn't know about this program. So throughout my video series, I'm going to give the knowledge which I've got by following these basics of Python. So be in touch with me to learn what I learned. So here today, this is my first video, and I would like to show you how it looks like after installing the Python. So we can take it to our taskbar, and it is like this. So here we have to use the Jupyter Notebook to do the work in Python. So once we click it, it gives a black window like this, and it runs some codes. After finishing the running of this code, it gives this white window. This is absolutely normal. So now it's going to open. Yes. Then it's like this. And here you can find the work that you did. And these are the things that I have done. And if you want to start a new notebook, the Jupyter notebook page, so you have to go for here, the new. Here there are some options, but to work, we have to use the notebook. Then it will open the Jupyter notebook. So it looks like this. And here we have to choose the kernel. There are some options, but we have to use this Python 3 IPY kernel. So you have to select it. Then it looks like this. And here the highlighted, this blue thing, we are calling it as a cell. So be with me to know how to work on this Python notebook, and I'm going to finish this for today, and I will explain how to work on this, how to do the basics in Python by using this Jupyter notebook, and how to save it from my next video. Thank you for watching.